The library search does a great job with helping you find what you need just by typing in some keywords, or a title, or an author's name, or other text. If you want to fine-tune your searches, there's a simple technique you can use that's easy to learn but has a profound impact on your search results. It involves the use of 3 words: and, or, and not. These are called Boolean operators, and all you have to do is type these words in capital letters as you perform a search. Start by visiting the library's website, library.OkState.edu. Let's say I'm interested in how robotics are used in mechanical engineering. I can start with the following search: mechanical engineering and robotics. Notice how the "and" is in capital letters. This tells the catalog to treat it not as a keyword, but as an instruction. The system will retrieve records that contain both the term mechanical engineering and the term robotics. This illustrates how the Boolean operator "and" helps narrow down your search results. Now let's look at the use of "or." When you type this in capital letters, you're telling the system to look for either one word or the other, or both. For example, if I type robotics automations, I get over 200,000 results because the system is looking for anything that contains both of these 2 keywords. But look at how things change if I add the Boolean operator "or" to my search by typing robotics or automation. I now get over 3 million results. This is because the search software is looking for anything that contains the keyword robotics or the keyword automation and giving me all the results at once. This illustrates the Boolean operator "or" and how it expands your search results. It's kind of the opposite of using the word "and." Now let's take a look at the third Boolean operator, "not." This instructs the system to exclude terms from your search results. For example, let's say I'm interested in mechanical engineering, but I don't want anything that has to do with drones. How do I tell the system to do that? I can't just type mechanical engineering, but don't show me anything related to drones. That won't work at all. Instead, I can use the "not" operator. Mechanical engineering, not drones. My search results now show items related to mechanical engineering, but anything related to drones has been excluded. This illustrates how the Boolean operator "not" can help narrow down your search results, similar to using the Boolean operator "and." Finally, let's look at how you can combine Boolean operators for even more targeted searching. For example, if I search for mechanical engineering and robotics or automation, not drones, the system shows me results that include mechanical engineering and either robotics or automation, but excludes anything about drones. Using the Boolean operators "and," "or," and "not" are a great way to really refine your search and get just the information that you need. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.